Lesson 001. Understanding of Basic HTML Structure. In this lesson, we will learn about basic HTML structure, how you can make your own basic web page with manual HTML coding. Key contents are as follows. 01. What is HTML? 02. HTML features. 03. Basic HTML structure. 04. HTML coding. 01. What is HTML? 01. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and is the basic structural element that is used to create web pages. 02. When an HTML document is loaded by a web browser, the browser uses the HTML tags that have marked up the document to render the page's content. 02. HTML features. (01) HTML describes the structure of web pages using markup. 02. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. 03. HTML elements are represented by tags. 04. Browsers do not display the HTML tags, but use them to render the content of the page. 03. Basic HTML structure. 01. A basic HTML page is a document that typically has the file extension HTML. 02. All HTML documents follow the same basic structure so that the browser that renders the file knows what to do. 03. The basic structure on which all web pages are built looks like below. Declare doctap HTML. Open HTML. Open head. Open title. Write page title. Close title. Close head. Open body. Write paragraph. This is a HTML structure. Write text. This is a body. Close body. Close HTML document. The major HTML terms are described below. First, description of doctap HTML. 01. The doctap HTML declaration defines this document to be HTML5, the most up-to-date version of the HTML language. 02. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration doctap HTML. Second, description of HTML. 01. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. O2. The HTML document itself begins with HTML and ends with /HTML. O3. It wraps around all of the other code and content in our document. It always contains one head element and one body element. Third. Description of head. O1. The head element is a container that can include a number of HTML elements that are not visible parts of the page rendered by the browser. O2. These elements are either metadata that describe information about the page or are helping pull in external resources like CSS style sheets or JavaScript files. Fourth. Description of title. O1. The title element is the only element that is required to be contained within the head tags. O2. The content within this element is displayed as the page title in the tab of the browser, and is also what search engines use to identify the title of a page. Fifth. Description of body. O1. There can only be one body element in an HTML document because this element is the container that holds the content of the document. O2. The visible part of the HTML document is between body and /body. O4. HTML coding. Follow the HTML coding yourself. When above code is rendered by browser, it will look like below. This is a HTML structure. This is a body.